So hi guys, I am Arnav. Today I am going to make a flapping bird. This flaps its bird when we shake the tail. Now how I'll say it in the end. So we have to take a square paper. You can use any color or you can use white also. If you don't have square paper, take a A4 sheet and cut it into a square. This is 15 by 15 centimeter. So this is the paper. Now you have to fold it diagonally first. Diagonally means like this. Fold it properly. You get a shape like this. Now fold this into half. Into this. It will be like this. Now this part is tricky for some few beginners. Over here we will get 4 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers of paper. So take 2 layers like this and fold it into a square. I am showing it to you again by the other side. Whoever done, they will get a shape like this. And then you have to take this part, open it and fold it. You will get a shape like this. It will be square and you will get 3 layers. 1 layer over here up, 2 layer, we have 2 pieces, and over here the third. Now over here is the opening. So from that part you have to fold it like this into a kite shape. But you are not making a kite. See, this is the opening. From that part you have to fold it like this. The same thing at the other side. Like this. Like this. I'll show it you again. This is the opening part. Some people get confused. They fold it from here. This is the closed part. So from the opening part you have to fold it like this. And then this part, as you can see the down part over here, this you have to fold it up like this. Back part will be like this, plain. Open these things, whatever we folded, open it until the square. Now this is also a little tricky. I have to take 1 layer and the folds we did that, we have to do it, insert it. See, like this. So the paper will look like this. Take the other side, the same thing. Insert these parts. Wait. Insert these parts inside like this. For few people it will be tough, so carefully watch my video. And if I am going faster, pause my video. Pause the video. And then done. We will get a shape like this. So these are the openings. You have to take it upwards. Take it up. And then you can see 2 legs. But these are not the legs or wings of the bird. If there is any problem, these will be the legs. Not legs, these look like legs. So now at the side we have to open this. It will look like this, and then fold it like this. These are not the legs. Okay, so now this part we have to take it up. We are close to the finish. Do the same thing opposite side. I'll show you over here. You have to take it up. And for few people it will be tough, but who know how to do craft very well, they will get this easily. This is this shape we'll get, and over here we'll get two openings like this. One is tail and one is beak. So fold it like this, and then fold the other side. You can make any as the wing, as the tail and head. This is the head I'm going to make, and this is the tail. So for making the head to this, you have to just fold it like this. So you can see the beak over here, and now I'll show you how does it flaps. Now the bird is ready. I'll show you how does it flaps. This is the head. Open the wings, and over here you'll get an opening. So you have to put hole in this. You have to put your finger, and then from back part you have to touch it. This part. When you bend this, the wings will go down. Then you'll think like it's flapping. So we just folded paper. We didn't use any glue or anything. So this is how to make a flapping paper bird. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.